And today we're going to make some simple wall decor. We're going to cut our 1x4 with a 45-degree angle. We set our stop at 26 inches. We cut another 45-degree there. We need 2 of these. And now we need 4 at 16 inches. I've set a stop at 16 inches. Now we'll take our pocket jig and we're going to drill 2 holes on this angle. So with the pocket jig, it drills a hole at an angle, and when we attach it to our other board here, the screw is going to go in and catch it at an angle. Now we're going to glue and screw together the 2 long pieces at the 45-degree angle. And we'll do the same with our short ones.
Now stain it with whatever stain you would like.
And now a coat of Ace Hardware clear enamel. I took my router and I cut a little groove in the back side so I can hang it up. And here's our finished product. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. 3, don't make me laugh.
You're making me laugh.